Hey guys, if you're looking at this video, you have chosen to investigate how a red filter affects photosynthesis. You should have opened up a document with the data table in it, and we are going to keep track of time with a stopwatch. Your job is to watch as I tell you when. You're going to watch the little leaf discs, which are at the bottom of the screen. You're going to watch them rise up to the top. It is the red video or the red filters on the right. The one without the filter is on the left. I set them up as if the way I said I was going to set them up in the previous video. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn on the light and start the clock. And I will keep track every minute. We'll watch every minute. Watch the discs, the leaf discs. We'll look for leaf discs to rise. Every minute you count what's on the top. When all 10 are up top, you can stop. Okay? So what I will probably be doing is I will probably be telling you the numbers, because I don't know how well you can see them rise up. I mean, I'm sure you'll see them, but I'm not sure how well. Okay, hopefully you've decided, you kind of made a decision and you looked at it and said, okay, well, this one's going to be faster than this one, or you have some sort of way of determining which one you think is going to work better. But right now we are almost to 1 minute. So in your data table at the 1 minute mark, you need to write 0 for both of them. 0 for the red filter and 0 for regular white light, because none of them have rose up to the top yet. Okay, so as we talked about earlier in this, when I was talking about this activity, I mentioned the fact that photosynthesis will cause oxygen to be made in these leaves, and it's going to cause them to kind of float to the top of the thing as they get, because right now they got water in them. Remember, we infiltrated them with water. Now they're going to float to the top when they get enough oxygen to make them buoyant. Sort of like a float in the pool. It's at the bottom. If it's got air in it, it's going to float to the top. Okay, at 2 minutes, we have 0 and 0 again. Okay, I'm not sure how much you can see, because you guys, when I'm looking at this, I can't see the camera because I'm behind it right now, and it's aimed forward, and I can sort of see it if I look to the side a little bit. Okay, so you should have 0 written down. That's all you should have written down right now. We're getting closer to 3 minutes. Three minutes. We are still at 0 and 0. If we get to 15 minutes, we will stop no matter what. So I see any bubbles in there. Oh, I can see one cart starting to come up. I'm not sure. Oh, I see one in each. All right. At 4 minutes, we have 1 in each. So you're going to write 1 in 1. Okay, at 5 minutes, we still only have, oh, no, we have two in the clear water and one with the red filter. So red filter has one and the clear water has two right now. I didn't see it slide up there. Okay, you guys see one starting to slowly rise into the red filter? There's one starting to slowly rise on the other filter or on the no filter one. So we have at 6 minutes, we have one under the red filter and three, I'm sorry, there's two total under the red and three under the white light. There goes another one. So I'm not just counting the number that come up, I'm counting the number that are at the top at the end of that minute. Okay, so like I just look at the top because you have to graph this and so you want to see it going up, right? We're at 640 right now. So this is just proof that photosynthesis does not take very long because they've started to float, which means they're making oxygen, which means they're doing photosynthesis. Okay, in the white light, we have on the top, now we've got five, and in the red light, we have three. You see that one coming up? And then there's another one coming up on the other side too. On the white light, there are six at the top. On the red light, there's five at the top. So when we're doing this, we don't just stop when we get one of them completely finished. We stop when there's none at the bottom or 15 minutes, whichever happens first. Under the white light right now, we've got 7. And under the red light, we still have 5 at 9 minutes. Under white light, we have 8, and under red light, we have 6. That was at 10 minutes. We still have 8 and 6. 8 under the white light and 6 under the red light. $12. We still have 8 under the white light and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 under the red light. If we get to 15 minutes and the last ones are still on the bottom, then we stop. All right, 13 minutes. We are still at 8 and 6. Okay, at 14 minutes. In the red light, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In the white light, there's still 8. We're stopping at 15 minutes, whether we're done or not. Okay, 15 minutes is up. At 15 minutes now, we have 8 up top in the red one and 8 up top in the white one. Okay, so there's that first red filter experiment.